County Veterinary College.
The government of Meghalaya yesterday announced the launch of EasyLottery.in, India's first fully digital lottery in the presence of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. The website EasyLottery.in went live on the occasion. With the first winner prize of 50 crore rupees, EasyLottery.in promises to be a game changer in terms of giving a seamless and transparent lottery experience right from buying tickets to prize money dispersal.
I would really like to congratulate our Directorate of Lottery, our ERTS Commissioner Secretary, for having successfully launched the digital lottery, the online lottery, which is the EasyLottery.in. And the main purpose really of this is that today we are seeing technology play a very important role in almost every aspect of our lives.